I'm going to show you one of those simple organization upgrades that instantly makes your space feel calmer. This V-Top Mart 2-tier clear organizer set. I'm actually using mine inside my bathroom cabinet, and it has made the biggest difference. First of all, it takes minutes to put together. No tools, no fuss, just a quick slot together assembly, and you're done. And once it's in place, it stays put. It comes with silicone non-slip pads, so when you slide your drawers in and out, it feels stable and secure, not wobbly and annoying. What I love most is how much it holds without looking cluttered. I can actually separate things out by category: skincare on one level, hair products on another, backups like toothpaste and deodorant, even perfumes and toiletries. And because it's clear, I can see everything at a glance. No more digging through a pile in the back of the cabinet trying to find one little item. The drawers slide out smoothly. There are built-in handles, and it makes those everyday routines feel easier and more put together. It's one of those "why didn't I do this sooner" organizers. If you love a tidy, cozy home and you want your bathroom cabinet to feel organized without a big project, this is a good one. Consistency is my standard. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.